Everything you have ever known will end. Not today, not in a million years, but it will end. The stars will die, the galaxies will fade. And one day, the universe itself will go completely dark. This is the story of how everything ends. A journey to the very last moment of time. Let's begin close to home. In about 5 billion years, our sun will run out of fuel. It will swell into a vast red giant, swallowing the inner planets, and then collapse into a slowly cooling ember called a white dwarf. Our solar system will go dark. But in the grand scale of the cosmos, this is only the beginning. Across the universe, new stars are still being born. But not forever. The gas that fuels them is running out. In about 100 trillion years, the last star will ignite, and after that, no new stars will ever form again. This is the end of the age of starlight. One by one, the remaining stars burn through the last of their fuel and flicker out. The smallest, coolest stars hold on the longest, red dwarfs that can burn for trillions of years. But eventually, even they go dark. The galaxies, once brilliant, fade into cold, silent collections of dead stars. Now the universe enters a strange new era. For an almost unimaginable span of time, it belongs to the black holes. These monsters slowly devour whatever is left, growing beyond comprehension, drifting through an emptiness so vast that entire dead galaxies are nothing but specks. But not even black holes last forever. Incredibly slowly, they leak away, evaporating into the faintest whisper of radiation over spans of time so long they make the current age of the universe look like a single heartbeat. And then, in the deepest darkness, the very last black hole finally vanishes. What remains is almost nothing. A cold, empty, ever-expanding void, filled only with the faintest scattered particles, drifting further and further apart, forever. The temperature falls toward absolute zero. Nothing happens, nothing changes, no light, no heat. Physicists call this the heat death of the universe, the final, permanent state of everything. It is a sobering thought. But here is the other side of it. Right now, we are living in the universe's brightest, warmest, most extraordinary chapter. The age of stars is a tiny, fleeting sliver at the very beginning of a nearly infinite timeline. We exist in the rarest of moments, while there is still light, while there are still stars, while the universe is still young enough to wonder about itself. The end is unimaginably far away. And that means everything that matters, every star, every world, every story, is happening right now, in the brief, brilliant morning of the cosmos. This has been the Cosmic Lens. If this gave you a new sense of just how precious this moment is, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the questions that have no easy answers.